Hi, Who Would Wear? I'm Diane Kruger, and I'm going to take a walk down memory lane of fashion with you. My fashion, crazy, good, bad. This is Would You Wear It Now? Oh wow, this is definitely memory lane. Okay, so I'm seeing the posters of National Treasure in the back, so I'm assuming that's what it was for. I gotta be honest, I have no clue what I'm wearing. I want to say it's Lanvin, but I might be completely wrong. But it's I still like it. I don't own it, but I would wear it again for sure. I feel like the shoes kind of don't really go with it. You know, this picture will haunt me. This outfit will haunt me till the day I die. I don't know what possessed me to put it on. It's the Golden Globes, and I'm wearing a genie outfit. So this will go down for me as my personal worst. I don't know what could get worse. The hair with that outfit, the occasion, the wrong dressing for the occasion, the weird gold bracelets that just emphasize the genie out of a bottle look. It's just all around bad. I felt great when I wore it. I was presenting too, so definitely everybody saw it. But you know, it's Marchesa, and I love Georgina and Karen, and this was kind of like the first collection, and I really loved putting it on. I just, like, in hindsight, you know, that's definitely, yeah. I wonder if the bells were ringing too on the top part as I was walking. That could have been a nice touch, but I don't remember. Needless to say, this is a definite no, other than Halloween. Wow. Well, clearly nobody styled this. This is like some paparazzi shot coming out of Charles de Gaulle in France, arriving in France, which I'm not sure where I'm going, but this is definitely my clothes. Although I do have very fancy Chanel carry-on, but the rest is pretty much day-to-day Diane. I mean, I probably would wear it again. I mean, maybe not those shoes, but I mean, you know, who doesn't wear a white t-shirt and shorts, right? So this outfit is the first time I met my friend Jason Wu, I think. That was his first collection or second collection. And it's the CFDA Awards in New York, and we went together. I don't think I used a stylist at this because I feel like he put it together for me, and I was his date, so that was that. And I just remember having a really great evening. That dress was very, very short, and sitting down was definitely an R-rated experience. I love that dress, and I kept it for many years, actually. All right. Yes, so this is at the Cannes Film Festival, and it's a gold sequin Calvin Klein number that Francisco Costa at the time custom made for me. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I think at the time I was the face of their perfume called Beauty, and this was a piece of beauty, and I really love this dress, and I think I got to keep it, if I remember correctly, and you know, it felt like liquid gold. It was pretty awesome, and I would definitely wear that now. Yes, it's gorgeous. All right, this is a real classic for me. I love this dress. It was denim, Chanel, and I wore it to a Chanel Haute Couture show. I have that hat, and I've had the same hat or variations of it for pretty much since I was like 16 years old. I did my own hair that morning because I remember there was a party for Chanel the night before, and I remember being very hungover, and I didn't have like the patience to do my hair properly. So a hat is always a good way to pretend like it didn't happen. Yeah, that's pretty much what this picture is all about. I was very comfortable, and I love the exaggerated hips, and definitely would wear that again. Yeah. Oh, all right. So this is on a book tour, I guess, for the host that I played the villain at. To be honest, I think it's my personal clothes, but I don't remember the individual designers other than those shoes, which I know are Alaya. The rest I truly don't remember, but this was like, you know, at a bookstore somewhere in Los Angeles, signing autographs. It felt appropriate. I would wear it again. Yes. Okay, so this one is the Met Ball. I'm not sure what year. It's Chanel Haute Couture, and I do love this outfit. I felt so comfortable because usually you're in these huge gowns going to the Met, and people step on your train, and it's not fun to go to the bathroom and all those things. So this felt like a dream. I felt really cool and very, I don't know, very fun for the occasion to dress differently. And so I really love this outfit, and I would definitely wear that again. This is promoting a French film that came out a couple years ago, and it's a Valentino. And I really love this outfit. It's a little out of my comfort zone for me, you know, it's kind of wild and the patterns, and I personally usually tend to stick to more muted colors and or shapes. I don't know, it felt very appropriate at the time, and I really love it, I have to say. I still do. So I would definitely wear that one again. Again, the Met Ball, I want to say 3 years ago, maybe even more, because I remember I was pregnant and nobody knew. I was like 3 months along, and I was very, very mornings like sick, and my feet were killing me from being pregnant and wearing heels. And I remember not being able to drink all night, which made the evening even longer, you know, when you're not feeling well. But that dress was a labor of love, and it's Prabal Gurung. We really designed it together. He came up with the shape, but all the embroideries, the train, it had a detachable train. Heavenly bodies. This was heavenly bodies, and hence the embroidery and that color, and the netting felt very appropriate. I did my own makeup too at this. You can't see much of my face, but I did. It was very pretty in real life. So yes. Well, so this one's very recent. It's my friend Jason Wu who designed this. It's very romantic for me, but it was for opening night of the New York City Ballet, which I felt was very appropriate. And I love the color because it's the first time in 2 years that we were able to go back and see a live performance in person. And it felt very optimistic and romantic, which is kind of how I felt. And I was very overwhelmed to see the ballet and just being in the company of people again and all those beautiful things. So I really have not only great memories of that night, but great memories of that dress. I would definitely wear that again. Only because I think this is very me, you know, it's probably the look that I find myself be the most comfortable in, and how I would like to dress every day, even though it doesn't happen. But you know, cool flats, it's practical, it's flirty, and it's feminine, you know, and you do catch me in that hat pretty much every day, so.